Today we're going to discuss operating systems. Remember we spoke about application software and system software? Application software being that productivity software that it performs like one specific task, such as word processing or spreadsheets, things like that. Operating systems fall into the system software category. Operating systems make it possible for hardware to interact with the software. It recognizes input and it sends output. Now remember our peripherals over here, they come with drivers already installed on the hardware devices. So drivers are basically little instructions, just little software, but the operating system has to be able to communicate with that. So it uses those drivers to communicate with the hardware. Operating systems also control our directories. So if you notice here, this is a file system. If you look carefully, you see that you've got name, you've got date modified, you've got type, and you have the size of your files. Well, operating system manages all of those attributes of our files. In addition, it's responsible for our memory and our power settings. We cannot use a computer without an operating system. Remember we discussed the different classifications of computers. Well, one of those classifications was a personal computer, and the other was there was embedded computers, and they were mobile devices. Well, operating systems fall into those classifications as well. Some operating systems are only developed for personal computers, such as for a notebook or a desktop. Others are developed specifically for, let's say, a smartphone or a camera or a gaming system. The operating system that sits on a handheld device is never going to be as robust as one that sits on a personal computer.